I'm about to share with you my affiliate marketing strategy that has been getting me a lot of traffic right now. All right, there's no secret. If you want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you have to be able to get traffic to your offers. There's no way around it. If you want to make money, you want to get commission, you got to get traffic. Now, there's all kinds of ways to get traffic, but recently I've been doing this one strategy that I kind of created for myself. It's very, very simple. Anybody can do it, and it's been working for me pretty good. All right, now I talked about this before, but I want to make it perfectly clear how you can get started doing this today. All right, so the strategy involves two platforms: YouTube, surprise, and Facebook. But not just regular Facebook. We're using Facebook Reels. All right, so here's what's going down. You got your product you want to promote, whatever it is. It don't matter if it's in the make money niche, the sports niche, the gambling niche, the makeup niche, the fitness niche, the relationship. You get the point. All right, don't matter. All right, so you need a YouTube channel, right, based around your niche, obviously. So you make a video, right? You make a video about, how to get your, ex back or whatever, right? You make a video about it, boom. All right, now all you need to do is grab your phone, right? Boom, get on the Facebook Reels, click record, boom. Say something like, do you want to know the fastest way to get your ex back? Well, if so, I just posted a new video on my YouTube channel explaining exactly how to do it. And you can watch it right now. Link in the comments. Boom, that's it. How long was that? Like 10 seconds, right? So you got that video, you put your little music behind it or whatever. Even in the video, you put something like, you could put the like the little text and put something like link in comments or how to get your ex back fast, whatever you feel like doing. Then, so after you put that little text in there, you want to go straight over to the description of the video. You want to, put a little title to it and then use hashtags related to your niche. So get your ex back, get your ex back fast, or how to get your ex back, whatever, hashtag, whatever, right? You post that reel, post it, right? Then you go back to your YouTube video, get the link from your YouTube video about getting your ex back, come over there and post it in as the first comment of your Facebook reel. Just put in the comments, watch now, watch here, check it out now. Post your link there. The video will show up. So what this does, it gives you content, right, on Facebook Reels. It's building your brand on Facebook Reels. It's bringing eyeballs to it. It's building up your YouTube channel, right? It's helping you get more YouTube views and building your credibility on YouTube. And if you're monetized, or when you get monetized with YouTube, it's going to help you make more money by doing this. But when you take people from Facebook, right, Facebook Reels, to your YouTube video, now in your YouTube video, that's when you really, putting in the work, you really, giving your long content, 4 to 10 minute video, right? That's where your affiliate product link is going to go, in the description of your YouTube video, because you're going to take them from Facebook Reels to YouTube to your affiliate offer, right? And all you need to do is every time you post a YouTube video, make a Facebook Reel about that video and put your link in the comments. You're going to drive traffic to your videos and your offers. This is what I've been doing for the last couple months, and it's been working beautifully, right? It really has. And I'm just rocking with it right now. I know a lot of people, they're like Instagram and then TikTok and YouTube Shorts, which I do YouTube Shorts too, right? But like nobody really, like talking about Facebook Reels like that. I don't know if something wrong, I'm missing something, but Facebook Reels is getting traffic right now. A lot of people are on Facebook Reels and using Facebook Reels. So why not use it if it's working? And another cool thing about Facebook Reels is, and I talked about it in a previous video, I just got monetized for the Facebook Reels bonus play or bonus pay, whatever. Just start earning money from posting Facebook Reels. So when you think about it, you get this method can allow you to generate money from Facebook Reels, from YouTube monetization, and get you affiliate commissions. How dope is that? So keep in mind, guys, like I said, it doesn't matter what niche you're in, you can make it happen. This is a strategy that I'm currently using and I'm rocking with. Now, if you want to check out the online money making opportunities that are making me money every month using this strategy, check out the links in the description of this video or the pinned comment.